How to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can do this step quickly and easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the right account login into your Binance application or browser. From here, just navigate through the wallets category, click on overview, and in here, just go ahead and click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, go ahead and click the select coin menu. From here, you will then go ahead and see USDT, so just go ahead and click on it. And now on the address, just go ahead and log in your Phantom Wallet account. From here, just go ahead and navigate through the account name, and this menu will show up where you have different network address. For example, you have address for Solana, Ethereum based, Polygon, and Bitcoin. You can just go ahead and select the right address in your network. In my case, I'll click on Ethereum right here. Paste your address on the Binance tab. And lastly, you can then go ahead and select your address right here. Enter the amount. Click on withdraw, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.